These are the elevators here at the Mills at Jersey Gardens, Elizabeth, New Jersey. These are originally, I believe these were originally a Dover elevator, but they got modernized with ThyssenKrupp with the Mata buttons. And yeah, this one's also behind the back of the stair and the escalator. It's also could have easily been made glass. Everyone coming. I think someone's going to use it. To the cap view going down. Not bad for it. Not bad for a civilized elevator. It's a horrible door operator. What's the indicator change? I just wanted to hear it. Go on the tour here. Dover. And take a look. See that? This also could have easily been made glass. And that's it.